Hi guys, I want to show you our new blender and the cleaning feature. It's a heated clean. Sorry, I'm going to get the hiccups. It's a heated clean, and it's just like having a dishwasher. It actually runs in it and sterilizes it and all that good stuff. That's something you're not going to get with another blender because we actually have a heating element in the bottom of this. And anyway, so I wanted to show you. I just made the roasted red pepper walnut dip, and I'm going to leave it clean. I just rinsed it out. You really don't have to. The home office videos, they don't clean it, but I go ahead and rinse it just to make it a little easier on myself. And I put 3 cups of water, and I did hot water to help it heat up. Well, warm water. And 2 drops of dishwashing liquid, and then I'll turn it to heated wash and press start. And now it's just going to do its thing. It does this little thing right here that's just like the quick cooker. It goes around and around and around, and it says heat, and it's telling you the temperature it's at. So you get, you can watch it. If you know what temperature it's going to come to, like with the jam, it tells you what temperatures will come to when it's cooking your jam and spinning it and stirring it. It'll tell you. And then, and it'll be like in this book. This little book comes with it. Tells you all about things you can make in it. And I'll sit and tell you about it while this does it. Does the cleaning. It's really nice because if you make something, you can just turn it on and heat while you're eating, and then all you gotta do is rinse it out when you're done. It comes with a little cleaning brush to be able to get like little pieces. It comes with a tamper that's made to push down in there, like when you do peanut butter. You can push if the peanuts start to climb the sides, in like 3-4 minutes you have fresh peanut butter without any additives and corn syrup. It comes with a bag, a little bag to be able to make like almond milk, oat milk, those types of things. And it has a boil over guard that will go right in here. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's starting to like boil and get hot. It's starting to bubble like a pot does when it gets hot. And has that boil over guard for like high altitudes, and you can put that right there and it won't allow it to boil over. Okay. And then you have like all your recipes. You have smoothies. You can make smoothies, and the smoothie bowls, I guess people are making. It's something new to me. I don't do those types of things, but I guess it's something people are making. Your alternate milks, and that's where you have almond, cashew, coconut, macadamia, oat, and rice milk, and then a combo milk, which is, it looks like it's made with macadamia nuts, rolled oats, and flax seeds. So that would be cool. And then, and they're saying that the almond milk, if you like almond milk, even if you don't like almond milk, people are really liking this. I guess it tastes a whole lot better than the pasteurized added to junk that you get in the store. They say it tastes really good, so that's going to be my next adventure, is I want to try almond milk and get away from the dairy. I don't know what this horchata is, but they say it's really good. It's made with rice, and it has vanilla and cinnamon in it, so I'm sure it's really good. Then you have your grind setting. I love my grind setting. You can do almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter, sunflower seed butter, which is great for people who are like allergic to tree nuts and things like that. You see, here we are, we're washing now. And super seed butter. But we're washing now. And this gets hot. It gets hot. It's glass. This is glass. And it looks like a milkshake, but it's really just soapy water. And there we go. And it'll set and do this, anytime you're making anything. It sits and blends and does its thing, and you can just leave it alone. You can grind your wheat berries and make fresh wheat, fresh flour, and then there's a recipe to make your fresh wheat pancakes. Roasted red pepper, walnut dip, and hummus. Both of them are really good. Butternut squash soup with pumpkin seed granola. Broccoli cheddar soup, cheesy potato soup. This hidden veggie marinara pasta sauce is really good, and you can make like your pizza sauces and your spaghetti sauce and things like that, and it'll just cook it all right there. You just blend your tomatoes up and everything. It just blends it and cooks it, and that's where you then have your sauce settings, where you can do chicken or beef gravy, sausage gravy, Alfredo sauce, and you can make your ice cream base, your hollandaise sauce, and hot chocolate. This nacho cheese sauce is really good. And we're about to the end of the book. And there's your jam. I love jam. The jam setting's amazing. You put in your fruit and your pectin, and then it cooks it and blends it, and cooks it and blends it, and then it'll say add, and you add in your sugar, and it's done. And it cooks it some more and blends it. And then you have like your milkshakes and things like that. And ice cream, where you can make it with like, and we're done. So it's all done now. And all I gotta do is take it out, and you'll see that it beeps like the quick cooker does to let you know it's done, it's ready. And now I can just, and you see the steam probably, it's soapy and clean, and I can just rinse it out and dry it and put it away. And if you're worried about the blades, they're not really sharp. I mean, one of the smooth blades, if you put your finger like completely under it and really tried hard, you might be able to cut yourself, but they're really not sharp. It's not cutting, it's pulverizing, I guess. And it's amazing. People are making the almond butter, and then when you squeeze the pulp, or I mean the almond milk, and then when you squeeze the pulp out with the bag, the pulp, you can put it in the oven and bake it to dry it out, and then you can make your almond flour with it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. I hope you have a great day. Bye.